Welcome back to Acker Studio, your ultimate destination for captivating and innovative home design ideas.
Transforming your living space, embrace cozy comfort with plants. Creating a cozy and comfortable living room is an art, weaving warmth and tranquility into the very fabric of your home. Among the myriad ways to achieve this, integrating plants into your living space stands as a timeless and versatile option. The amalgamation of greenery not only elevates aesthetics but also fosters a serene and inviting ambience. Nature's embrace, architectural wisdom echoed in greenery. As renowned architect Frank Lloyd Wright once said, "Study nature, love nature, stay close to nature. It will never fail you." Plants bring a touch of the outdoors indoors, establishing a seamless connection with nature. Whether it's the graceful tendrils of a trailing vine or the vibrant hues of a flowering plant, each addition contributes to a rejuvenating environment, echoing Wright's philosophy of harmonizing with nature's rhythms. Beyond aesthetics, the wellness impact of indoor greenery. Incorporating plants into your living room design isn't merely about aesthetics, it's a holistic approach to wellness. Studies have shown that indoor plants can improve air quality by filtering out pollutants and releasing oxygen, thereby enhancing the overall health of your indoor environment. From spider plants to peace lilies, these natural air purifiers can transform your space while contributing to your well-being. Serenity in foliage, embracing hygge with indoor plants. Moreover, plants have an incredible ability to reduce stress and promote relaxation. The sight of lush foliage and the gentle rustle of leaves create a soothing atmosphere, allowing you to unwind after a long day. They become companions in your space, fostering a sense of tranquility that resonates with the principles of hygge, the Danish concept of coziness and contentment. Functional elegance, plants as utility and beauty in home decor. Architect and designer William Morris once said, "Have nothing in your house that you do not know to be useful or believe to be beautiful." Plants perfectly encapsulate this sentiment, serving both functional and aesthetic purposes. They act as natural decor elements, effortlessly enhancing the visual appeal of your living room while also offering a practical contribution to your environment. Versatile accents, plants as design focal points in your living room. Moreover, plants can serve as focal points or accents, adding texture, color, and depth to your living space. Whether arranged in minimalist pots or displayed in intricate hanging planters, their versatility allows for endless creative possibilities. They seamlessly blend with various design styles, be it modern, bohemian, or eclectic, adapting to complement the existing aesthetics of your room. How to achieve integrating plants into your living space. To incorporate plants effectively, consider the lighting conditions of your room and the specific needs of different plant species. Opt for low-maintenance plants like snake plants or pothos if you're new to indoor gardening. Hanging plants like Boston ferns or spider plants can add dimension without taking up floor space. Grouping plants of varying heights and textures creates visual interest. Regular care and appropriate watering are key to maintaining their health and vibrancy. Best plants for your living room. Snake plant, known for air purification and low maintenance. Pothos, thrives in various light conditions and easy to care for. Peace lily, effective air purifier with elegant white blooms. Rubber plant, adds a bold, tropical touch and thrives in moderate light. Fiddle leaf fig, makes a statement with its large, glossy leaves. How to maintain your indoor plants. Watering. Understand the watering needs of each plant. Overwatering can be as detrimental as underwatering. Ensure proper drainage and consider using a watering schedule based on your plant's requirements. Lighting. Place plants according to their light preferences. Some thrive in bright, indirect light while others prefer shade. Rotate plants periodically to ensure even growth. Pruning and grooming. Regularly remove dead or yellowing leaves to maintain the plant's health and aesthetics. Pruning encourages new growth and prevents disease. Fertilizing. Feed your plants with appropriate fertilizers during the growing season. Follow instructions carefully to avoid over-fertilization, which can harm the plant. Pest control. Keep an eye out for pests like spider mites or aphids. Treat infestations promptly with natural remedies or gentle insecticides to prevent them from spreading. Cleaning. Wipe down leaves regularly to remove dust. This enhances the plant's ability to absorb light and photosynthesize effectively. Architectural harmony. Integrating nature into home living. In embracing a cozy and comfortable living room with plants, you not only infuse vitality and charm into your space but also nurture an environment conducive to relaxation and well-being. As you curate your personal sanctuary, let the words of architect Eero Saarinen resonate. Always design a thing by considering it in its next larger context. A chair in a room in a house in an environment, an environment in a city plan. The integration of plants isn't just an addition to your decor, it's a transformative journey that intertwines nature with your lifestyle, enriching your home in more ways than one.